In this video, we'll be going through some interesting project ShopSmart, which I've been part of in my coursework. In this project, we try to take advantage of Gen AI technology and make the shopping experience better. And whenever I wanted to buy some shirt or any technical gadget, I'll fill all my cart with similar products and feel overwhelmed with all items that I'm having in my cart. And I usually ping my friends or family to suggest me a single product over all the other items. Um, what if there is a Gen AI assistant which actually understands the reviews of all the products that I'm having in my cart and analytically solve my queries and answer my queries with all the doubts I'm having, whether they'll be coming true to size or the color will be faded over time, or whether this shirt will be matching for a particular occasion or not, whether these shoots will come for a long time or not. So whatever the query may be, if there is some Gen AI assistant which understand the reviews and the product description which is provided by manufacturer or seller, if there is some assistant which can do these things, that could solve my problem in decision making. In this project, we try to exactly do the same thing. In addition to recommending the good products with the help of retrieval augmented generation, which is a recent sensation in natural language processing, we needed data, perfectly scrapped Amazon data. So there is some website which gives us the data of the different fashion products and different office products as well. So we have used these reviews and metadata of the products to build the database of our application, which is not quite straightforward because the data comes in different forms and we need to clean them and we need to be keep the scalability in mind because if we wanted to deploy this in real world where users can upload their data and make the whole code that we already written accessible, we have built an airflow DAG over here, which helps in cleaning the product information and uploading them to the Snowflake and Pinecone, which is the key tools in our application stack. And this DAG that we are seeing here will clean the product info from the CSV file and validate the data is in right format or not and upload the products to Snowflake, as well as summarize the product information and upload the product details to Pinecone after validating them. In addition to that, there is a reviews pipeline. Whenever we get the new reviews for the existing products or for the new products, so we'll summarize those reviews and or a batch basically and append those summaries to the existing products or the new products into the Snowflake and Pinecone. So that when we user asks the question about a product, we'll fetch the right reviews about the occasion. Glimpse of data creation. Now we'll be going through some of the important use cases in our application, such as product search. So we'll start with it. Uh, we'll be seeing here how user queries and handled. So if I come to the application and search like show me outfits for gym, show me outfit for morning walk, show me outfit for party. So we'll be seeing how this query is handled in my application. So whenever user enters something like show me outfit for gym, that query is passed to the GPT fine-tuned model along with the user gender and user preferences from the DB. And that fine-tuned GPT model will give us the list of products that needs to be fetched to handle the user query. Once we get the descriptions from the fine-tuned GPT model, we'll be retrieving them from Pinecone and Snowflake, along with generating a selling text that could help users to make decision or encourage them to buy these products. And we'll be sending all together them to the UI, and they'll be displayed there. We'll be seeing this in action in a while. We'll be going through the ShopSmart application, which has been deployed to in the AWS. So this is not the local host as well. This is some instance public IP. I'll be logging in to my uh, application now. So I'm in. I'll be seeing some. We'll start with something very simple. Show man white shirt, or let's not reveal the gender. Uh, Show outfit for gym. So for my query, it will take a while and go through the all the steps that we discussed earlier, like fetching the product descriptions and fetching the products. It will give it in a second or so. So it thinks I need moisture in t-shirts. That's true. And show me some these things. And also it doesn't stop there. It will also understand that I need running shorts as well because I said I need outfit, not a single product. So it completes the things that I needed. So it shows the bottoms as well. And yeah, it still loads. It shows me all the boxes and all the things. So it completes my outfit for the gym. And what if I need something for party? Let me change my query and search for it. So let's see. This is a nice one-liner selling persuasive text actually. So for party, it feels I need a slim fit dress shirt. These are all something nicer to wear for a party, I believe. And a tailored blazer, of course, that makes or that completes the look actually. And dark wash jeans makes sense. Doesn't leave me with shirts and blazer only, but it feels we need something to wear bottom, and it gives me all the things that I needed. And I can even load more, and I can even add them to the wish list, and then I can take the help of chatbot to make a decision that we'll be seeing in a while the flow. In addition to all these things, I can upload some image. I'll be uploading a nice picture of me when I went to the sea fall colors. So once I uploaded it, I can ask show similar products. It doesn't run image matching search, but it adds the image to the cloud and it does the same functionality that we earlier discussed, all the steps by getting the right product description from the image, ignoring all the background, ignoring everything else, concentrating only on the products. So let's see, I am wearing the black hoodie in the shirt, so it thinks I needed black hoodie and shows me all the fleece, black hoodie, and relevant products, not the nonsense. And there is some logo on it, so it thinks I needed logo graphic hoodie as well. So yes, it retrieves the nice and matching products for that image, which makes totally sense. And using the fine-tuned GPT model over non-fine-tuned GPT model is it solves us with the problem that we faced. So we are expecting some kind of a JSON as a response with the help of with the things that we need like name, description, category. Like with the right name, right description, we'll be getting better products. But initially, without a fine tuning, we received very random products and not even fine tuned for the query that user asked. So we created a data set ourselves, which is included in the repo as well. And we curated the response for each query, which helps in deciding what products do exactly need when we say we wanted to go for a gym or when we go wanted to go for a party. So with the help of this fine-tuned GPT model, we'll be able to generate the proper descriptions and relevant descriptions in particularly and solve the problem. To some other use case, wishlist bot, which is very interesting, which is the key functionality that makes us unique. When user adds the products into wishlist and the context is loaded with the summaries and the product descriptions of those products in cart, and whenever users write some query, since it's a chatbot, we need to maintain the context. It doesn't, we should not leave the context behind like the previous messages that user had. We should consider them while answering the current query. So we'll create a standalone query by considering the user chart history and also use the context to answer the current query. You'll see this in action in a bit. Now I'm in my wish list. I have added cargo pants and shirt and some other pants that can fit for gym. And so I'll be asking my uh, chatbot to help me picking a product, a pant particularly for gym that can go well with the white shirt that I'm having here. I can say the shirt instead of typing the color as well. Can go well with the shirt. That's actually polo shirt here. So it considers the baggy pant gym outfit. For a gym outfit, that pair well with the Dickies men's short label-ended polo shirt, which is what I'm having in my cart. So it doesn't consider, it understands what I mean, the shirt. And it feels like these comfortable gym pants made from high quality cotton and ideal for sports, exercise, and weightlifting, and so matter, which helps me in making decision. But what if I wanted to pick something for party, not gym exactly this time? So if I ask this, it will fetch all the reviews and the product description. It thinks the cargo pants will make sense for party. For a versatile outfit that can transition from gym to casual party, I recommend pairing the cargo pants with the shirt. These are exactly things that I'm having in my cart and not anything else. And the cargo pants offer a relaxed yet stylish look, while the polo shirt adds a casual sophistication. So it thinks it's nice for a social event. So this is something nice to have and making decision. And what if I have a query like, does the cargo pants come true to size? This is the generic query we'll be having whenever we wanted to choose product in fashion world. So let's see. Based on the reviews and description, the Tommy standard with cargo pants are recommended for fans of cargo shirts and perfect for a casual wear. They're likely to be true to size. So it goes through all the reviews and feels that it might come to true to size, but it leaves the decision for us and helps in making that. Are bought robust to the queries that user can ask from outside of the domain. We modified and we have used some the prompt engineering techniques which are very advanced that we learned in this class to make this product, to make this chatbot robust to them, like very flexible. Uh, so if I ask my chatbot, do you have any political interest? It tries to match the query with something in the fashion domain, and it feels like I'm asking for a casual yet stylish look. So it tries to blend the query which is outside of domain into the something in domain and understands the event out of the question that it asked, but it doesn't lose any context outside the fashion domain. To the two use cases that we have seen, search and wish list, we also have the search products page, which displays products related to user interests. So, for example, this user has interests in exercising and traveling, and also along with all the searches that he did, and the products that are there in wish list, we have some user profile created with which is some kind of a paragraph you can imagine that contains all the interests and all the color that he like and everything else about the user. With that as a context, this page generates the relevant product descriptions like slim fit moisture with chinos for exercising that user might be interested in, and some travel friendly slip on sneakers because he's interested in traveling, and also some sporty waterproof digital watch activities. So it generates multiple products in different categories to encourage users to buy, and which can help users in finding the products. Multiple things that we did in this project, we still feel there is some room for improvement and some things that we can add to make this actual product in real world. So we feel we can make the user modeling very better in capturing the user profile, and also integrate some social features like user reviews, ratings, and ability to share the wish list, and can encourage the bot suggestions shared as a link to the friends and family. And also the AR integration would make more sense along with the voice search and interaction.